Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, I want to tell you about the one thing more important, very important about the differential equation. About differential equation, you have to understand more clearly about the integral. In the previous exercise or previous topic, you already learned about the basic integral like integral of x squared equal to dx like this, and you have the answer here is x cubed over 3, and you have the constant number plus c like this form. So for this expression, you will have the variable for this expression is x. So how about if I change from x become to another integer, you will have the form like integral of y squared times dy here, and then you will got y cubed over 3 and plus c. For this example, you will have the variable will be y. Another thing, you will have the integral of v squared, and now you got dv is mean you will have v cubed over 3 and plus c like this one, and this means you are using the variable is v. This is not x anymore. You have to understand more about the integral when you change variable from x become to another letter. Sometimes you will got the letter will be y, sometimes you will got v or a or b or anything. And why this is very important when you want to learn about the differential equation, I will tell you that later. But for this video, I want you to practice more about the integral with variable different to x. Example, you will got y cubed plus y, and then you will got the dy here, and it's quite very easy, right? You will got y4 over 4 plus y squared over 2, and then you got plus c. And this is very a little confused when you combine them, something like this one. Yeah, this is very complicated, so you should not work with the integral have this form, because here is a variable of y and here is variable of x, so it's to not. You should not working for this one, for this form. And I will tell you how to solve this later, but for this video, you just practice something like dy and y, and you have dy here is mean only one variable for this expression. Y is not x anymore. Here is y squared over 2, and then you got plus c here. Yeah, so one more time, practice about y. You got square root of y plus y squared and plus y to power of minus 3 here, and then the other outside this bracket you will got dy. It means you choose variable for the expression for this integral is y. This is not x anymore. So how about this one? I will change square root become to y to power of 1 over 2. And then you will got y squared, and then you will got y to power of minus 3 like this one. And apply the power rule for integral. You will got here is y to power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. And for the second term, you will got y cubed over 3. And now you will got minus 2 here and minus 2 here. After that, you will write down with c. Simplify this expression. You got 2 over 3 multiply y3 to power of y to power of 3 over 2. And now you will got 1 over 3 times y cubed minus 1 over 2 times y to power of minus 2 like this one. So how about another variable beside x and y? Sometimes you will got some exercise will tell you about the area. So you got a to power of 4 multiply a and multiply and plus 4 like this one. And of course for the d here you will got dA. dA is mean you have to choose the variable have to be a. It's not x and it's not y anymore. So apply the power rule for this question. You will got a to power of 5 divided by 5, and you got here a square divided by 2, and now you will got 4 multiply a like this one, and after that you got plus c. This is the same thing when you work with the integral with the variable of x. Example, you got x4, you got x, and you got 4 like this one. And I think this integer is very basically for you, right? You will got x5 here divided by 5, you got x squared here divided by 2, and then you got 4x here, and after that you got plus c. Yeah, that's it. So the main point of this video is about the you will use the basic formula of integral. With the integral have the different variable. It's not x anymore. Sometimes it will be a, sometimes it will be y, or sometimes it will be v like this one. This information is very important when you want to learn more harder information about the differential equation. So remember about this one. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.